Let me guess. You've worked hard your whole life. You've followed the rules. Save your money. Go to school. Get a job. And yet, you're still broke. Meanwhile, the rich? They just keep getting richer. But here's what nobody tells you. The rich aren't smarter than you. They're not more disciplined. They don't even work harder. They just play a different game, with different rules. And the worst part? Nobody taught you the real rules of money. That ends today. The rich don't trade time for money. They trade money for more time. You work 40, 50, 60 hours a week. They build assets that pay them while they sleep. You save money in a bank that gives you 0.01%. They put money in places that grow 8%, 10%, even 20% per year. You worry about spending $5 on coffee. They're buying buildings, companies, influence. It's not luck. It's not privilege. It's strategy. And the longer you ignore it, the longer you stay stuck. Let's get real. The system was never built for you to win. School never taught you how to build wealth. They taught you how to obey. To follow. To trade your freedom for stability. They taught you how to be an employee. Not an owner. They didn't teach you how to invest. How to use credit. How taxes work. How to buy assets. How to escape the hamster wheel. Because if everyone knew, who would keep the system running? Meanwhile, the rich? They don't play defense. They play offense. They use the rules you don't even know exist. They use LLCs to lower taxes. They use leverage to buy more assets. They use depreciation to avoid paying what you pay. They use debt to get richer, while you drown in it. And you? You're told debt is bad. You're told to buy liabilities. You're told to save your way to wealth. In a system built on inflation. Let me ask you, if saving worked, why are savers getting poorer? You were trained to stay poor. It starts with your language. They taught you, money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy, just get a good job and play it safe. But here's what they didn't teach. That money flows to ownership, that the taxes punish labor, not capital. That time is more valuable than income. While you're taught to fear risk, the rich learn to manage it. While you chase security, they chase freedom. It's not a mystery. It's a mindset. And if you want to win, you have to change it. Let's talk about time. The poor sell time. The middle class saves time. The rich buy time. Every minute you spend on things that don't grow, costs you. Scrolling TikTok. Watching Netflix. Debating strangers online. The rich don't waste time. They multiply it. How? By building systems. By outsourcing. By automating income. By letting money work while they don't. Because time is the only asset you can't get back. And the rich protect it like gold. Do you? Now let's talk about taxes. Yeah, the thing nobody wants to hear about, but it's where the real game is played. You pay taxes on your work. They pay taxes on their wealth, if at all. You earn $100,000 in a job? You might pay $25,000 plus in taxes. They earn $100,000 in long-term capital gains or dividends? Maybe $5,000. You pay for your car, your rent, your phone, after taxes. They run their lifestyle through businesses. They deduct meals, travel, gas, even phones and cars. And you still think the game is fair? It's not. Now here's the twist. You can learn their game. You can copy their blueprint. You can stop being the consumer, and start becoming the investor. It's not about being born rich. It's about waking up. Once you see the system, you can't unsee it. Let me ask you something deep. What's keeping you broke? It's not your income. It's not your intelligence. It's not where you live. It's not the economy. It's your habits. It's your beliefs. It's what you do every single day that either builds freedom, or chains you to survival. Every dollar you waste. Every hour you scroll. Every opportunity you ignore. Every time you say I'll do it later. That's why you stay broke. The rich aren't lucky, they're focused. Let's talk about what they do differently. They buy income. You buy stuff. They invest in assets. You invest in distractions. They grow their skills. You grow your bills. They think in decades. You think until Friday. They build networks. You build debt. And yet, we call it unfair when they win? No. They're just playing a game you were never taught. But now you're here. Now you see it. So the only question is, will you change the way you play? Here's how to start. Step 1. Learn how money really works, not school knowledge. Real knowledge. Learn about assets, taxes, debt, equity, leverage. Step 2. Stop consuming. Start building. Stop buying stuff to impress people. Start buying things that pay you back. Step 3. Invest something every month, even if it's $20 in VU, SCHD, real estate, a side hustle, whatever fits. Step 4. Track your time. What gets measured gets managed. How much time do you spend consuming versus creating? Step 5. Build ownership. Own skills, own content, own equity, own your time. Listen. This video might not make you rich overnight, but it can make you dangerous. Dangerous to the system that told you to stay broke. Dangerous to the beliefs that kept you stuck. Dangerous to the voice in your head that said maybe later. You don't need $1 million to start. You need to start acting like someone who builds millions. The moment you take responsibility, everything changes. So next time you see the rich getting richer, ask yourself, are they lucky? Or are they playing a game you refuse to learn? Because you can stay broke. Or you can wake up. You can be angry at the rich. Or you can become one of them. Choose. And if this video opened your eyes, subscribe. We're building a new generation of thinkers, doers, and investors. No hype. No fluff. Just freedom. Warning emoji, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.